Hello children, in this video I will explain you the meaning of decentralization or the distribution of power between the levels of government, or as we can say power distribution in the perspective of local self government. We know that federal governments have two or more levels of government. The two levels of government in our country, but a vast country like India cannot be run only through these two levels. States in India are as large as independent states of Europe or countries of Europe. In terms of population, Uttar Pradesh is bigger than Russia. Maharashtra is about as big as Germany. Many of these states are internally very diverse. There is thus a need for power sharing within these states. Federal power sharing in India needs another tier of government below that of the state government, and this is the rationale for decentralization of power. Thus resulted a third tier of government called local government. When power is taken away from central and state governments and given to local government, this system is called decentralization. The basic idea behind decentralization is that there are a large number of problems and issues which are best settled at the local level. People have better knowledge of problems in their areas. They also have better ideas on where to spend money and how to manage things more efficiently. Besides, at the local level, it is possible for the people to directly participate in decision making, and this helps to encourage the political participation, or we can say democratic participation. So, local government is the best way to realize one important principle of democracy, namely local self government. Thus, there was very little decentralization in effective terms. A major step towards decentralization was taken in 1992. The constitution was amended to make the third tier of democracy more powerful and effective. Now it is constitutionally mandatory to hold regular elections to local government bodies. Seats are reserved in the elected bodies and the executive heads of these institutions for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. At least one third of all positions are reserved for women. An independent institution called the State Election Commission has been created in each state to conduct panchayats and municipal elections. The state governments are required to share some powers and revenue with local government bodies, and the nature of sharing varies from states to state. Rural local government is popularly known by the Panchayati Raj, or a group of village in some states has a Gram Panchayat. Thank you, beta.